I'm going to be straight with you. This is not a sponsored video. Yes, we do implement ERPNext for Kenyan SMEs at ITKenya, and yes, we do have a perspective. But I'm also going to tell you exactly when QuickBooks is the right call for your business and when it is not. If you're a freelancer with 10 invoices a month, QuickBooks is just fine. Stay on it, then this video is not for you. But if you have employees on payroll, you are VAT registered, and once in a while, or let's say every day, you do receive M-Pesa payment, and you're managing stocks, then you need to watch this. This video is exactly for you. If you're a VAT registered company in Kenya, it means every invoice you raise must be transmitted through the KRA system in real time. You need a physical document number. You also need a QR code on that invoice. And non-compliance means that penalties and your input tax can be rejected. While QuickBooks has zero native eTIMS integration, I mean zero. You either pay a third-party integrator to build a bridge at extra cost, extra system, or someone in your team is logging into the KRA portal manually for every single invoice that you need to raise. While on the other hand, when you're using ERPNext with Kenya localization, everything else becomes automatically. Your invoices get raised, your KRN is notified, physical document number is issued, no manual step, no portal, no extra software. For businesses doing 50 invoices a day or more, this is not a nice to have. This is a legal necessity that you need to have it. M-Pesa is not just a payment method in Kenya. It is the payment infrastructure that so many companies and businesses have recently adopted it due to their customers demanding it. Their customers either pays on pay bill or on till number, and their payment comes in all day, every day. QuickBooks does not connect to Safaricom Daraja API. That means every M-Pesa payment has to be matched to an invoice by hand. Your team downloads the statement, they go line by line, matching the amount and the reference every single day. While ERPNext connects directly to M-Pesa Daraja. When a customer pays through the pay bill or till number, you receive the invoice closes automatically in real time, and no human is involved. So how many hours a week is your team spending on reconciling right now? For most Kenyan SMEs that we have dealt with or talked to, they say they are spending between 4 to 5 hours or even more per week. ERPNext gives you those hours back. As you all know by now, KRA is cracking down on so many companies and it is standing firm on their business. So that means the Kenyan payroll has to have a PAYE, NSSF, NHIF or SHA, the affordable housing levy, HELB where applicable, and these are rates that change. Multiple remittance portal, P9A and P10 reports that are due on ITX should be on schedule. QuickBooks has no Kenyan payroll module, not limited, none. Kenya is simply not supported country for payroll on QuickBooks. So your team either is running a separate payroll tool, being it an Excel, or making a journal entry. 3 system, 3 points of error, 3 monthly subscription. ERPNext calculates every Kenya statutory deduction automatically so long as it is pre-filled, generates a P9A and a P10, produces the ITX export file, and when statutory changes, the update is included from your support. Same system, same login, invoice, inventory, payroll, everything in one place. Now let's talk money. Ka-ching. Because this is the part that surprises people the most. You see, QuickBooks Advanced Online, the plan that most growing businesses are on, costs approximately $235 US per month, and that money is billed in USD. So every time the shillings weaken, chances are your software bill probably goes up. And when you do the maths, over 5 years, it's roughly between 14,000 US. At today's rate, that means you see it somewhere between 1.7 to 1.9 Kenyan shillings. And that's just for accounting only. You get no eTIMS, no M-Pesa, no Kenyan payroll. To achieve that, you need to pay extra for those. For most of our clients and partners at ITKenya, we advise them to use ERPNext because the implementation is one time, it's in fixed fee, and it's in Kenyan shilling. There are 3 tiers of this. The Starter, Growth and Pro. Starter goes at 260,000 Kenyan shillings, Growth goes at 650,000 Kenyan shillings, and Pro goes at 910,000 Kenyan shillings. So with this, what do you get? You get the KRA eTIMS, M-Pesa Daraja, full statutory payroll, which they are all included, and there's no monthly license and no exchange rate surprises. You pay once and the system is yours. So which one should you choose? If you are the sole trader with fewer than 20 transactions a month, no staff on payroll, no VAT registration, no inventory, QuickBooks works the best for you. Kindly just stay on it. But if you have employees, VAT obligations, M-Pesa payments to reconcile every evening, and stocks to track that is in more than one location, or you just simply want to stop paying USD bill every month for software that does not even handle the basics of running a Kenyan business, ERPNext is your solution. And the QuickBooks versus ERPNext Kenya question of which one is better software, or which is the best tool to use for your growing company or Kenyan SME is not even close. I believe you're ready now. If you want to see exactly how ERPNext will work for your business, not a generic demo but a walkthrough built around your actual workflows, send the word demo to us on our WhatsApp, and the number is on the screen right now. We shall set up a live session, show you the system using your industry and team size, and you can ask us anything, no cost, no obligation. I have also linked the full written comparison under the description below, with the pricing table, feature by feature breakdown, and the exact number we covered today. And if this video helped you, hit the subscribe. We put out content specifically for Kenyan SMEs or Kenyan businesses owner every week. And my name is Ibrahim. See you on the next one.